Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create payment requests in Payoneer account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and download the Payoneer account or update your Payoneer account to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and what I'm going to do next, let me just right here. If you want it to, let me see notification, cancel it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser, and it says right here, if you want to request or create a payment request, click on get paid in the menu in your Payoneer account, and then choose request a payment and fill out the payment details and submit the request. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead and log in with your Payoneer account basically, and I'm gonna confirm via my facial recognition, right? And basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just follow along the steps by going to see right here activity, click on it, and basically you're gonna see right here payment requests. If you don't have one, you're going to be able right here to see the payment request section, and just basically follow along the on-screen instructions to basically suggest or basically to apply that I am eligible to payment requests. Let me know in the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.